What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Another trip to the Nike clearance store. Because we're looking for deals, man. Let's go. Alright, lately a lot of stuff's been available at the stores. Alright, that means we need to go look for some deals, right? Yep. Just walked in. They got some Jordan flight shirts here, $20. Long sleeve shirts. These are pretty nice. This is Jordan. Has a little flight logo on it. Okay, they got him in black. Also got a gray right here. Normally 45 down to 20 bucks. See larges. Oh, okay, I see smalls. I see several different sizes here. Not bad. Got mediums and I think larges, XL. I got a few sizes on these black ones. Do got the USA jerseys. Splatter paint one. This is actually pretty fire. Remember the World Cup is coming to the US, so should have some soccer gear. 95 down to 30. Are these all small though? Are these all small? Damn, these are all small, bro. Dang, all the good sizes are gone. Dang it. Looking for some shorts for one of my boys. This is actually a really nice one. Super thick, but yeah, extra small, that doesn't work. So we got some thicker, longer shorts. These bad boys are going for $20. It's at XL for tall though. Okay, baseball ones going for $15. This is a nice one. It's double XL, but look. Oh, okay. Actually, wait, hold up. This might work. Nike golf shorts, 68 down to 25 bucks. Super thin. Dang, 32. Waist is a 30. All right, kind of faded looking shorts going for $30. That's a small. They do got the cargo shorts, 28 though, 28. These are hella fire. I did grab these for myself, $80 down to 30. And they got these SB shorts. I want to say kind of like a stretchy khaki material. Is it not stretchy? I don't know. That's a 28 too, which is pretty much a small. Grabbed one of those or two of them for the nephews. Oh, they do got some of the bigger ones. 36. Oh, this is the one that I think mine is a 36. Dang, dude, they still got these? Dang, dude, I think I got mine for 15 too. I think they dropped the price and then went back up to $30. All right, we will continue with apparel. Let's go check out the sneakers though. See what's up here. Something did stick out right here. Do got some Jordan 1 highs. These comforts? Oh, these are the comfort highs. That's what these are. Size 12. Women's 11.5. Men's. These are interesting. What's the price? The price has been the most interesting stuff here. $80. Holy crap, 80 bucks. That's hella cheap. Checking the 10.5s now. Okay, the duck boot. I'm just not a fan of that front right there. I do need some boots though. I buy stuff off season all the time, so I ain't tripping about that. Yeah, just the color, just kind of $80 right here. Some Dunk lows for $90. Okay, we are finding interesting stuff. $90 not bad. I don't know the retail for this. Isn't normally 100, 110. So a little discount. Okay. Man, I can't believe I'm finding Dunks here, especially after work, coming all late. Another pair of Dunks. These are interesting. So all black with that interesting texture. Oh dang. Man, that's like making me dizzy looking at it. But yeah, that's pretty dope. Finding multiple Dunks here, size 10. That's a premium too, so that's more than $100 normally. Still got these Air Max 90 golfs. We saw a bunch of these going for 70 bucks. 2090s going for 80. This one's down to 70. $50 right here for the Del Don, which is a women's. More Dunk premiums here. Size 10.5, go for 90 bucks. Okay, these are alright. These are interesting. Not too crazy. Someone left 11.5 over here. Another pair of Dunks though. And I think these are one of the premiums. This is the price that's making people leave them. I don't know. This is dope. I'm sure plenty of people would buy these. Regular people, $90. what, Picante? Sail Picante Red. Photon Dust. Is this the one I saw earlier? Someone is participating in the trade-in program where you trade in some old Pumas and then you trade them for some new Nikes. Those have been sitting there for a while. Looks like someone took off with some shoes. Size 10s. Did mostly the 10.5s. Did see a couple 10s over there on the other side. Dude got the Jordan still going for $80. Haven't seen too much of these lately. The SF1 boots going for $80. Thought these were dope. No, not really. They're just some international Nike by Use going for $50. Move up to the size 11s. They got a lot of interesting stuff here. Dude got Jordan 1 lows right here. Weird colorway, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, purple mixed with a brown, kind of interesting. $90. Buzz Lightyear colorway of the Air Max 90 Golf going for $60. See a ton of these Jordan System 23s, which did not hit very hard. $50 for those. Another Jordan 1 low. Got the aqua colorway right here. Going for $90. What is this? Oh, dude, got the Asunas going for $25. Asuna 2s. LeBron 19 lows going for $70. Then seen a ton of these Air Force Ones right here going for $60. It does have that nylon siding right there. The boots right here. The SFB carbon boots going for $80. Jordan 36 lows going for $80. Moving on to the 12s, I'm gonna call this place Dunk Central. $90 for these. The Rainbow Trout Dunks. Saw a pair of these, I think was it at JD or Finish Line. Just not a fan. Not a fan. Does have the little fishing or a little trout on the top. Right next to that, Zion 2s going for $60. This is size 13 though. More Air Max 90 Golf. Got those in so many different sizes, so many different colorways. Air Max 95s going for $80. Air Max 1 Premiums, $130 for those. So it seems like it's certain silhouettes that are over 100, most still under 100. 2021 Flyknits, $100. Moving over to the 13s. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature is going for $70. Air Kukunis, $60. Jordan 1 mid, size 9.5 though, $100. Jordan 2. What the F? Got wings on the side. How have I not seen these before? What the hell? Are these? Oh, are these Hawaii ones? What the hell? Dornbeckers? What are these? I have no clue what these are. These are... I don't know what the hell these are. Alright, I guess that's a release for Howard White. I guess one of the execs, and that was his high school colors or something. I don't know. I had to look it up, dude, because I had no clue. $170 for those. LeBron 20s up here, $100. Size 14s. Got some mids right there, go for 100. Got some more size 14s right here. Some dunks, go for 90. Apparently we're on the 15s. Some running shoes, Romero's. The LeBron. Dude got some Jordans right here, go for 100. And then Air Force Ones right here, go for 70. Oh, I got the Jordan 1 low golf right here, down to $110. And then 16 and above, that's all that right here. Dude got some J's, but they're hella big, dude. 16, 17s. What are they going for? What are they going for? These are going for 160. The ones right here are going for 150. All right, dude got a couple campers here, not many. All right, let's go check out the size 9s and below. Jordan 1 High OG, the True Blues. True Blues at the clearance store, which is kind of crazy, but look at the price though. Look at the price and then you're like, oh, that's not too crazy. $150. It's at the regular outlets. You have a chance of getting that for 20 or 30% off, which is dope. It's only $20 under retail, or was it 30? I don't remember if this came out at 170, 180, probably 180, so $30 under retail, about 20% off. I guess that's not too bad. got me doing math and stuff, trying to figure out if it's a good deal or not. So I thought this was size 9, but 8.5. $40 for those. Blazer Low GTs. That's a real tree one. More of these Asuna slides. These are what, 25? Blazers going for 50 bucks. Checking out the size 8s now, smaller size. $80 for these. Harachis going for 60. Alright, I really tried to find something in the small size. Really not finding much. Alright, let's go check out a little bit more apparel and then we'll check out some other stuff. This is hell interesting. You got Nike SB t-shirts. Pretty thick shirts. $10. They all XL though. Don't have, I would say too many other sizes. Don't have any other sizes. Sometimes you can look back here, like in one of the other racks. Sometimes there'll be one or two mixed in. No, not really. Oh, they got a bunch of these. They put them right here. Different sizes. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Size 40. They do have. Oh, this is all 40s. Oh, these are all 40s. So they had 28s, they had 36, and now they have 40s. These are really, really nice. Cargo pants. If you like cargo pants, it's like a synthetic material, but it is nice. They do got the flight shirt that everybody has, the one with the shoes around the neck. These normally go for $50 down to $20. This is pretty fire. That is pretty fire. The cherry 11. This also matches the bread 11s too, remember? But yeah, $15 for these. Normally $35. These are both double XL. Jordan flight shirt right here, XL 15. Yeah. This section's actually pretty dope. Dang, I did look around the rest and it's just that little double XL section that's nice. Everything else, mediocre. Do got LA shirts, Los Angeles shirts. Los Angeles upside down, I don't really know that. They got New York ones as well. These are down to 15 bucks so you could see what city you're in. I don't know. So you could see it while you're wearing it, you know, if you look down. But yeah, these are all $15 t-shirts. We got some Tobias Harris Philly shirts. Is that a Ja t-shirt? Ja Moran t-shirt. These are pretty thick. These are pretty nice. 15 bucks, down from 40 to 15. Those were all larges right there. This is actually really dope. Triple XL though, loose fit, super thick. With the embroidery right there, $15. It says 20, but I'd try to get a 15. It's on this rack. It says 20 bucks right there, $30. These are all larges. Are these all larges? Okay, do have a small. They don't have that many. Got a small, medium, large. Okay. Triple XL black one right here, going for 30. Got an extra large one here, going for 20. This one's down to 25. Didn't that one say 30? I don't know. UCLA, this is like a salute to service long sleeve hoodie, 20 bucks. It's super thin. Oversized Jordan. I don't know, is this a jacket? Isn't it? It's a button up. But yeah, $60. That is an XL. Jordan preppy sweatshirt right here. Sweater. Oh, Tiger Woods. These are normally pricey as hell. 50 bucks for this one. I wonder what material it is. Oh, it's polyester and wool. Yeah, that's the thing. Nike sweater, $175 down to $60. That is a small. Nike golf pants right here. What is that, 60 down to 30? I don't know, but it looks super nice. Super tall though. Got like some khakis or something at the $30 for these. Got some black ones down to 30. More golf right here. These look nice though. These down to 30. Some dry fit sweats, 40. If you don't mind shopping off season, a lot of really, really good winter apparel. If you're visiting from out of state, look like a lot of really, really good stuff. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is yoga. It's for cold weather. That's what it's for. $110 down to $40. All right, I'm checking the women's section. Dude, this is nice, dude. This is the Air Force One Premium. It's a premium MF'er, dude. Look at this. Like, this is super nice. Holy cow. Velvet brown. It is like a, I want to say, is it like a nubuck or is this like a just a super soft leather? Man, $60. It is a size 9 women's, 7.5 boys. That's fire. Women's Jordan 1 low right here, $90. I'm primarily checking the 9.5s for like running shoes and stuff like that. You know, for my kiddo, because he wears a size 8, 8.5 men's, which is a 9, 9.5, or 9.5, 10 women's. And yeah, $80 for those. A little much. Air Max 97s, all black, nice. Go for $80. Pegasus Next Nature's down to 70. We've found those for hella cheap in the women's section, but not today or not here. Pegasus 39. That's way too colorful. $60. Still in the size 9.5, 10. This is a 10 right here. Jordan 1 low. Jordan 1 low for the. Oh, they put this in the wrong section because they put it under women's. I was like, this is the women's. This is a women's colorway. It's funny. All right, throwing them back, $100. But yeah, finding a ton of Jordans. $60 for those 11 low comforts. Now let's check out the size 8. Kind of like a more common women's size. Do got some Jordan mids right here. Go for $100. Air Force One Shadows down to 60. Interesting colors that are kind of everywhere. More Jordan 1 lows. Got a ton of these. I was like, these ain't no 2 trays. What the hell? Penny 2s? It's the sizes, right? Penny 2s. $70 for these. Not bad. More Air Max 97s. Go for $80. Air Force One Next Natures. 90. I was gonna say down. Is that even down? I don't even know what the regular price is for the Air Force Ones right now. Air Max 97s down to 80. Last woman's shoe I'm gonna check out right here. Look, Air Max do got some Jordan series. I've never seen this velvet material one. That's kind of interesting. And then look at the laces too. That's hilarious. All right, those are down to 50. I see why. All right, that's about it. I think I showed all kinds of stuff. I think we're gonna wrap it up, man.